Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing blueberry cheesecake scented drizzly cloud. This is the drizzliest of the drizzliest of the drizzliest cloud slimes ever. You're gonna love it. You're gonna be amazed. I am so excited that my hashtag slime giveaway is finally working. I have winners to announce this week for my previous two videos, and I would love to do another slime giveaway for this video too. All you need to do is comment hashtag slime, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and go to my description, click that link which will take you through to another YouTuber's channel, and on their channel, comment Rainbow Playmaker says hi. Then I will choose one of you to win free slime from my slime shop. Yay! So make sure you don't forget to do that. Let's get started, and I'm so excited to show you how to make this. Okay, so I'm adding half a cup of glue, white school glue, to my bowl, and then I'm adding half a cup of water on top of that and mixing it up. Once it is all mixed up, you want to start adding your activator slowly. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. When your slime is fully activated, you want to start adding your powdered snow. This is expanding snow, and I just added 1 tablespoon without activating it first. So I'm putting the dry powder directly into my activated slime. I will be adding more. I add about an additional teaspoon of snow. You might have to just massage it in and feel it out for yourself, but you can just know for this amount of glue and this recipe, I used 1 tablespoon and a teaspoon of snow in total. Making cloud slime is a long and lengthy process. You have to wait for the snow to expand, and you need everything just to come together a certain way. So I cut out a lot of the mixing just to keep the video on the shorter side. So just know that when I do this, I'm usually doing something else at the same time and just mixing. So just keep that in mind. Just slowly keep adding your snow. It will feel tough when you first start mixing the snow and your slime together and you're thinking, oh no, this is a fail. Just keep at it because it will loosen up, as you can see here, how it's more stretchy than it was just a few seconds ago. Keep that in mind and just keep working it in, and eventually you will end up with your cloud slime. Something I like to do is put 1 pump of lotion on my hands and then rub it into the slime. So that's something that you can do as well. You can also do that with 1 pump of foam soap if you want to. Those are not necessary ingredients, but those are ingredients that I do like to add to my slime. If you do decide to try this recipe or any of the recipes on my YouTube channel, don't forget to tag me on your social media sites, especially on Instagram. I'm at Rainbow Playmaker everywhere, and I would love to see all of your creations. Now I am adding some blue food coloring and mixing that all up, and I also will be scenting this slime. This slime is going to smell amazing. I love this scent, and I think it's going to go perfect with the color. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you're able to perfect your drizzliest of drizzliest this cloud slime ever. Check me out on all other forms of social media. I am Rainbow Playmaker everywhere, and I will see you next time. Bye.